channel Learning Made Easy for ICSE. This is Pavni of ICSE class 7 going to teach you of ICSE class 6 geography major water bodies. We all know how important water is to us. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. This water is distributed throughout the planet in various forms and shapes, called the various water bodies. Water bodies differ in size, right from huge ones like oceans and seas to the small ones like ponds. Thus, the various water bodies we see on the Earth's surface are in the form of oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, ponds, and waterfalls, etc. Major water bodies. So, what are the major water bodies? Let's see now. Oceans, seas. Oceans. The oceans are vast and deep bodies of water. Usually, it is these oceans that separate continents from one another. The oceans are bodies of salt water. Next, seas. Seas are also big water bodies but are definitely smaller than oceans. They are partly enclosed by a landmass and open into the ocean. Oceans. Largest water bodies on the earth are oceans. So there are 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. So first one is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean. It is surrounded by the continents of North America and South America in the east, Asia and Australia in the west, Arctic Ocean in the north, Atlantic and Indian Ocean in south. Next, second one, Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest of the world's ocean. It is shaped like a letter S. S-shaped basin extending between Europe and Africa to the east and the Americas to the west. In north up to Arctic Circle. In south, it merges with the Pacific and Indian Ocean. Next, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, it is the only ocean to be named after a country. Its shape is roughly triangular. The Indian Ocean is the ocean surrounded by Asia to the north, Australia and the Pacific Ocean to the east, the Southern Ocean to the south, Africa and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Next, fourth ocean, Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest and shallowest of the world's 5 major oceans. It is also known as the coldest of all the oceans. North America, Europe and Asia are the 3 continents that border this ocean in the south. Most of the parts remain covered with ice throughout the year. Antarctic Ocean. The Southern Ocean, also known as the Antarctic Ocean or the Austral Ocean. The continent of Antarctica is surrounded by water bodies, which is actually an extension of the Pacific, the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean. Next, seas, marginal sea and inland sea. So marginal sea. A marginal sea is a division of an ocean partially enclosed by islands or peninsulas. For example, Barents Sea, East Siberian Sea, Caribbean Sea, Bay of Bengal, etc. Inland sea. A sea that covers a central area of a landmass. For example, Black Sea, Dead Sea, Caspian Sea, etc. Next, seas. So here you can see the 2 types of seas, marginal seas and inland seas. So you can take a screenshot and you can go through it. Next, minor water bodies. Minor water bodies and inland water bodies. Minor water bodies, bay. A bay is a body of water partially surrounded by land. Inland water bodies, lake. Lake. A lake is a body of water that is surrounded by land. Next, a minor water body, gulf. A gulf is portion of the ocean that penetrates land. Inland water bodies, lagoon. An area of shallow water separated from the sea by low sandy dunes. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe.